Okay. Hello kids. So today we will study about company accounts. You know that is your second book in CBSE board, whether in RBSE board or any kind of state board or ICSE board. So we will begin with the very first topic of the book, accounting for companies. So this is our main book, sorry, second book, and here it is divided mainly in three topics. First is issue of share. Second is issue of debenture. And the third one part is redemption of debenture. So these are mainly three parts in the accounting for companies. But in CBSE board, I hope you know that there is issue of share, issue of debenture, but redemption of debenture is not in your course. Okay. So today we will talk about only issue of shares. Like whenever a company issues a share, how its accounting to be done, or what are the general entries to be passed. So in this video, I will teach you today what are the general entries for issue of shares. Okay. So before doing the journal entries of issue of shares, first we will understand what is share. Share in Hindi we can call it hissa. Okay. So whenever any person pays any sum of money to a company, जब भी कोई person किसी company को कुछ part of money pay करता है, in exchange of that he will get a share in its profit or in ownership of the company. So there are mainly two ways by which a company can raise money, either through loan or debenture, or by selling its part of ownership. That is called a share. So those person who purchase the shares of company are the owners of company. But those who give just loan or debenture or just purchase the debenture of company, they are not owners of the company. They are just lender to company. Okay. So what is share? Share is a part of profit in company's capital. ओके. तो शेयर का जनरल मीनिंग क्या हो गया, जब भी मैं किसी कंपनी को कुछ पैसा देता हूँ तो उसके बदले में मुझे उस कंपनी की कुछ ओनरशिप मिलती है, उसी को हम बोलते हैं शेयर. तो आज हम इसकी बस एक जनरल एंट्रीज पढ़ेंगे और मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि जनरल एंट्रीज को मदद करने की दिशा, हाउ वी कैन टेक्निकली लर्न टू मेक दीज एंट्रीज. So for knowing the technical aspect of making journal entries, I want to take you to class 11. There are mainly three types of account. We have studied this already in class 11. There are mainly three types of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. So in class 11, we all have studied that there are only three types of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. And what are the rules for these accounts? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. What is the general rule of real account? डेबिट what comes in and credit what goes out. जो हमारे पास आती है सेट उसको हम डेबिट करते हैं और जाने वाली को क्रेडिट. comes in debit, goes out credit. And for nominal account, what is the rule? Debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the income and gains, or either we can say credit all the income and profits. So these are basically three rules which every student has to know. Without this we can't begin our accounting journey. Okay, so I will explain you once again. There are mainly three types of account: personal account, real account and nominal account. We divide all these things which we write in accounts in these three accounts. Like personal account, all the persons that I hope you would know what are personal account, what is real account and what is nominal. I am just telling you the rules so that we can learn how to make the entries rather than just mugging it up. Okay, so please remember all these rules. I will Let's move forward. How to make journal entries. So there, whenever a company issues a share, there are mainly four stages in which company receives the money. But nowadays, after the dematerialization of share, what usually happens, company gets money in one shot, or in lump sum amount, and it directly gives complete share to the person. But previously, before dematerialization, what used to happen, company divides the share money into four parts. First is application money. Second is allotment money. Third is first and final call, or it can be separated. Like it can be either first call and fourth one is final call. Okay, so it depends upon question how it is asking us. Okay, so I will explain you in just in quick short, like what is application money, what is allotment money, what is first and final call. Application money, it is given to company whenever a person wants to purchase the share, he has to fill an application form, and along with such application form he has to attach or give some money to the company. That is known as application money. After getting the application money, company issues share to the person and it takes allotment money from the person. Whenever the shares is allotted to the company, to the person by company, it takes which money from the person? Allotment money. And that is the remaining amount which company calls upon whenever it is needed the money. जब भी company को need रहेगी तो first call या final call जो भी उनको चाहिए होगा वो उनसे मांग लेगी जब भी company को amount की need रहती है. Okay, so let's understand now how to make general entry. First, but you have to remember the rules which I have told you in the starting of the video, like debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So let's make it easy. I will classify some of the things. Bank account, share allotment account, share capital account, share first and final call account, and one more is share application account. So to remove any kind of confusion, I will just tell you that all these accounts fall in which effective account. Like either it is real account, either it is personal account, है ना? तो जो हमारा बैंक अकाउंट होता है हमने इलाम में स्टडी किया होगा. बैंक इज ऑलवेज अ रियल अकाउंट क्योंकि जो हमारे पास जो भी मनी होती है वो हमारा कैश होता है ना? वो हमारी एसेट होती है जो भी बैंक में मनी हमारे पास या जो भी कैश है. अब देखिए क्या होता है. एक कंपनी उसके शेयर ऐसा तो है नहीं कोई 7-8 लोग या 10 लोग ही खरीदेंगे, है ना। उसके जो शेयर्स होते हैं लाखों लोग, हजारों लोग खरीदते हैं। तो अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज में एक एक पर्सन का नाम लिखने की जगह पे राम ने शेयर खरीदा, श्याम ने शेयर खरीदा, उसकी जगह हम ये वर्ड्स ही यूज कर लेते हैं, शेयर अलॉटमेंट, शेयर कैपिटल, सॉरी शेयर फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉपी, है ना। तो इससे क्या होता है कि हम ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन के लिए एक टर्म यूज कर लेते हैं, शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट। अगर हम एक एक पर्सन का नेम लिखते जाएंगे राम श्याम, तो बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाएगा और बहुत लंबे अकाउंट्स बनेंगे कंपनी के। तो इसकी जगह हम क्या करते हैं कि जो अलॉटमेंट स्टेज में पैसा आया है, जिन जिन पर्सन आए हैं ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन को उन्होंने ये नाम दे दिए अलॉटमेंट, शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट। तो जो शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट, शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट है, ये होता है हमारे पर्सनल अकाउंट। और शेयर फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉपी होगा हमारा पर्सनल अकाउंट। और जो हमारा शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट है ये होगा हमारा रियल अकाउंट। टू नो द टेक्निक हाउ टू मेक द जनरल एंट्रीज, हमने इनको डिवाइड कर लिया कैटेगरीज में, जिससे हमारे लिए जनरल एंट्रीज बनाना इजी हो जाएगा। अब बस आपको रूल ध्यान रखना है और मैं आपको बताता जाऊंगा पहले क्या क्या स्टेज होती है। तो सबसे पहले कोई भी पर्सन को अगर शेयर खरीदना है तो वो जाके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म लेगा, ही विल टेक द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एंड इन एक्सचेंज ही विल गिव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मनी। सो फर्स्ट एंट्री for application of share. So whenever a company gives application to someone, what he will receive, what company will receive in exchange? Money. So money is our real account. When money comes to us, what is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in. Money हमारा real account है. Real account का rule क्या होता है? जो भी आ रहा है उसको डेबिट करो, है ना. Debit what comes in. So whenever a company issues application to any person, so it will receive what? Money. So first entry is bank account debit. And in exchange what will it give? Share application. So credit what goes out to share application account. There I have told you that share application is a personal account, which you will know in second entry why I have called it a personal account. But to understand the entry and to remember it, I have just called it a real account. Like जब हमको कंपनी को पैसा मिल रहा है, then it is debiting it, because what real account says debit what comes in, and in exchange what company is giving, what is it is giving out? Share application को दे रही है, तो credit what goes out. Okay. Second, so in first person is giving money to the company, है ना, and receiving the application form from company. So when the person has given money, जैसे हमने कोई दुकान पे गए, हमने पैसे दिए और उसने हमको सामान दे दिया, इसी तरह कंपनी को भी हमने पैसे दे दिए, तब वो पर्सन को क्या देंगे? फिर give him or her a share or a part of share. So second entry will be what? There I have told you that share application is a personal account. So what is the rule for personal account? Debit the receiver. So the applicant who gave money to the company, he will receive share in return. So what will be the entry? Debit the receiver. Share application account debit. Okay. And what is going out from company? It's share, है ना. जब कंपनी पैसे ले रही है तो उसका शेयर जाएगा ना. एक पर्सन रिसीव कर रहा है किसी चीज को. सपोज करो आप किसी मोबाइल की शॉप पे गए, है ना, तो आपको मोबाइल रिसीव हुआ और शॉपकीपर ने आपको दिया. सो ही विल क्रेडिट द मोबाइल बिकॉज मोबाइल इज गोइंग आउट. एंड शेयर कैपिटल इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू. शेयर कैपिटल एक रियल अकाउंट है, तो क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. तो कंपनी जब पैसा लेगी, एक पर्सन को शेयर मिला तो कंपनी के पास से शेयर बाहर जाएगा टू शेयर कैपिटल. Okay, done. Debit the receiver and credit what goes out. Third, on allotment of share. So now here company given a part of share to the person. Now again company will give another part of share to the person. So what will be the entry? Share allotment, because it is the allotment stage. Debit the receiver, share allotment account की debit, और कंपनी के पास से क्या जाएगा? वापस से शेयर जाएगा टू शेयर कैपिटल को. लेट्स रिवाइज इट अगेन. बैंक अकाउंट एक बिगिन अकाउंट है और ये हमारा शेयर एप्लीकेशन. सो व्हेनेवर पर्सन गोस टू द कंपनी एंड इट विल पे हिम बैंक कैश. सो व्हाट ही विल रिसीव द शेयर एप्लीकेशन, है ना. सो वी आर डूइंग एंट्रीज फ्रॉम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ कंपनी, है ना. कंपनी क्या एंट्री करेगी वो हम पढ़ रहे हैं. तो कंपनी के पास पैसा है तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, और वो देगी क्या? शेयर एप्लीकेशन. तो क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सेकंड, he will allot him share or part of share. So that's why that person will be the receiver of share. That's why share application account debit the receiver, and what it will give? The share to the person. So credit what goes out. On allotment same entry will be made. Share allotment account debit the receiver, और कंपनी के पास से क्या जाएगा? शेयर. That's why share capital account is credit. Now company will receive the money for this part of share. सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था? कंपनी को नहीं पता था तो कौन उसका शेयर लेने आएगा. तो जिसने पैसे दिए कंपनी ने उसको शेयर दिए. अब कंपनी को पता है जब इसने मेरे को 5 रुपीज दे दिए तो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट भी ही विल आल्सो पे. सो कंपनी फर्स्ट अलॉटिंग द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ शेयर, देन इट विल रिसीव द मनी फ्रॉम द पर्सन. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, एंड हु विल गिव द मनी टू कंपनी? द पर्सन हु परचेज इट्स शेयर. दैट मींस शेयर अलॉटमेंट टू शेयर अलॉटमेंट. Now we have only this share first and final call is remaining. So this process will be followed same here only. Now what we will do? We will repeat the same process here, but the name will be changed. So what company who will receive now money? Sorry, share first and final call account debit. And in exchange, what will company give to him? Its share capital, to share capital. Debit the receiver because he is the person who is receiving the share. And what company is giving in return? It's part of share capital. So that's why credit the giver. Now company has already given him share, है ना. Now company will receive money from this person. So what will be the entry? Debit what comes in. What is coming in? Cash. So bank account debit. And who is giving? This person, because he is already getting share. To share first and final. तो ये हमारी एंट्रीज थी अकाउंटिंग फॉर शेयर कैपिटल, है ना. सबसे पहले कंपनी को पैसा मिला, कंपनी ने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म दिया, फिर उस पर्सन को शेयर मिला तो कंपनी के पास से शेयर दिया और इस पर्सन को मिला. तो डेबिट द रिसीवर एंड क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सेम अलॉटमेंट में हुआ बट इसमें प्रोसेस रिवर्स हो गया. पैसा बाद में दिया पर्सन ने बट he got the share first, and same is repeated here. The person got the share and he gave the money to him, sorry, to company. So that's all for it. We will further go beyond this